Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my May Boxycharm unboxing. I got my Boxycharm Premium as well as my base box and I thought I would share it with you. I've seen a lot of Boxycharm unboxings and the variations have been all over the place. They're up to like variation number 50 something, so you can never really tell what you're gonna get in the Boxycharm, and so I figured it would be interesting to open it up on camera with you. Not only that, I'm tempted by that new Norvina ABH palette, and so I wanted to play with one of the ones that I have. I'm wearing the third version, the one in the orange packaging today, just to see if I really want it. And the formula is really nice. Like, you have to work with it a little bit differently, but it's still really nice. I'm really tempted to get that new one. But in any case, I figured I may as well film a video, and my Boxycharm arrived. Before we get into the box, if you're new here, I'm Yori. Thank you for clicking on my video. Hope you're gonna like this one, and if you do, give it a thumbs up while you're watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join me for a future video. Now let's go ahead and get into these boxes. Let's start with my base box. It has this stamp, which usually means that it's something that cannot be shipped by air. Usually that means it's like a dry shampoo or nail polish or something. So I did open up the seal, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so here are my products. There's no card this time, so we'll just pull out the products one by one. The first item in the box is a perfume, and it is called English Laundry. English Laundry number 7. Alright, so here's what that one looks like. Oh, it's I thought it was a roller ball, but it's actually a spray bottle. It smells a little bit powdery. I've never heard of this. English Laundry number 7. There's really not that much information. There's nothing in the box, no card. It smells okay. Like I said, it's a little bit powder. I may use this as a room fragrance rather than a personal fragrance. It's a little bit more powdery than I like. I have a tendency to prefer fresh scents. Here's something else in the box. This makes me laugh because I was complaining so much about receiving nail polishes in Ipsy, and here we have a Deborah Lippmann little nail polish duo. I'm not minding receiving nail polishes so much anymore. That's probably why the sticker was on the box. So they are a pink and a red. This one is kind of separating. So the pink one is Can't Stop the Feeling, and the other one is more of a corally shade. It's called Fire on the Horizon. This would be really nice to, paint your nails and have an accent color. I've been enjoying painting my nails. Look what I did with this. I'm pretty proud. This is pretty good. We're moving up. So contrary to my past videos, I'm actually happy to get nail polish in the box. This one I was expecting. This was my choice item, and it is the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. If you're not new to my channel, you know I absolutely love the Flash Highlighting Stick. I have mine in the shade Champagne, so hopefully I got a different shade. This one is called Bronze Flash. Hopefully it's gonna work for my skin tone. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful packaging. Ooh, this is dark. This is super dark. Look, as much as I want to be a bronze goddess, I'm not really a bronze goddess. Should I swatch it? Let's swatch it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is gonna be way too dark for me. Look, maybe I can use it on my body, but definitely not on my face. I wish I hadn't swatched it. I could have passed it along to somebody else because this formula is so beautiful. Literally all I do is I tap my fingers over the top of the product and I tap it wherever I want to apply it, but this is not gonna work. Boxycharm, read the beauty quiz. I wish I hadn't swatched it. Here's something. It's by Sutra. It's a mini ceramic curling iron. This is like the most random box ever. Perfume, nail polish, a highlighter, and a curling iron. So Boxycharm is having their Boxy pop-up right now, and I actually was tempted to purchase one of their little mini travel sets because I don't have a travel curling wand, but let's see. Okay, so there's a information pamphlet, and it's purple, so it's just a curling wand, has an on-off button. It's by Sutra, and I guess you just do one of those to make the bends in your hair. Okay. Super random. I'm sorry I can't tell you, the retail prices of the items, but I don't have a card. But okay, I guess that's cool for a travel or gym bag. I have one more item in the box, and this is a palette by Wander Beauty. I get a lot of Wander Beauty in my subscription boxes. So this is the Wondrous Dusk Till Dawn palette. It's like a face palette, blush, and highlighter. Let's go ahead and swatch these. They're very soft. So there are the 3 shades. Not too bad. That first one was super powdery, right? Almost looks like the nail polish colors. The shades are Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. Cute. It's a cute little palette. A lot of wasted space in there, isn't it? Well, that was everything that was in my box. I'm so bummed about this highlighter stick. Maybe I can use it on my body. I don't know. I may as well try it now since I stuck my dirty fingers in it, right? So that was everything for that box. We'll go ahead and recycle that one. I'm really disappointed in the hourglass thing. I was looking so forward to having another shade of this product because this is like almost $50. I'm not sure. I'm almost positive this isn't gonna work for me. So interestingly enough, my favorite product is going to be the nail polish. I think that's the next nail polish I'm gonna use. Is it worth $25? Yeah. Is it how I would have spent $25? Not this time. Premium box is next, so this one has like a different color interior. This one's all blue. There it goes. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this time we have a card. This one is the Mother Nature theme. I have variation number 44. Okay, well, let me not look at that. Well, I'll put it so I can tell you the prices of things. Here's the first product. It is the Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampule Serum. A soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica extract, relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. The serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. I do enjoy using a serum in my skincare routine, although it takes me a very long time to get through them. Look at that bottle. Interesting. Really thin consistency, so I can definitely add this to my skincare routine in the earlier steps and see how that one works out. The retail price of that one is $28. Next, we have a brush set. It has two brushes, which is the powder brush and a contour and foundation brush. This is by Baddington. I know that these guys make eyelashes. I've gotten eyelashes from them in the past. I really like the style Monroe actually, but they're really, really highly priced. All right, here's what the brushes look like. I kind of like this one. It reminds me of my Luxie Beauty contour brush, which I like to use for foundation. And this one is just a typical powder brush. The bristles are a little askew on this one, but it's still very soft. I'm very excited about this brush. I'm assuming that this is the foundation and contour brush. It is a cruelty-free set. They're 100% Taklon bristles. So let's read about this. Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. High performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90? No. They do feel nice, I won't deny it. I'm more excited about this contouring brush than the powder brush because the powder brush, I could use it for blush. I kind of like brushes like this for blush, but I'm more interested in this one. I love a synthetic brush to apply my cream products, so we'll see. $90? No. When I first discovered those eyelashes that I liked, I went looking to see where I could buy them and I found them on Neiman Marcus. They're like $30 for eyelashes? No, but if I find them on sale, I'll grab them. So I do love a good makeup brush, so I'm happy to have that. Next, we have something by the brand Sugar Rush by Tarte, and this is the Lip Butter Balm in the shade Peony. Oh, look how cute that packaging is. It's a little flower. Very cute. It smells good. It smells like vanilla, which I like. Is this their full-size product? It looks really small. You get 6.3 grams of product. All right, so let's see. The Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. You'll have the real MVP with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. The retail price is $12. I'm actually really excited about this. This is the first thing I have by Sugar Rush. I think it's more of a brand geared towards teenagers and younger girls, but a lip balm, you can't go wrong with that. Next, we have a mascara. This one is by Kevyn Aucoin. It is the Expert Mascara, and the card says it has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest and while being soft to the touch. even after multiple applications, formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. $29. And then again, Kevyn Aucoin is a luxury brand as well. I have quite a few mascaras open at the moment, so I'm not going to open this one, but for days when I'm not wearing false lashes, that'll be nice to have. I get so many mascaras in subscription boxes that I rarely buy any. Next product is something from Milk. It is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek Sheer Shimmering Mini Lip and Cheek Tint for a lit from within glow on the go. $15. All right, let's see. It looks super shimmery. Let's swatch it. It's super shimmery. It looks more like a highlighter, honestly. I can imagine wearing this more on my lips than on my cheeks. Yeah, if I blend it out, it's almost oily, like maybe a highlight. Yeah, we'll see. I'll definitely have to try that. I've not heard about this. I know that Milk has cream blushes, but I don't think that's what this is. Okay, so that was the Milk stick, and then the last item, this was the choice item, and it is the Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. I think they made a mistake when they first showed sneak peeks of this one. Look how pretty. It's a really pretty container. And there's what that one looks like. Smells like chocolate, smells delicious. Really pretty packaging. Too Faced knows how to do packaging, right? So it looks like a shimmery bronzer. I've been really into bronzers lately. I have their old matte, what is it? The Milk Chocolate Soleil or the Chocolate Soleil bronzer that's matte. I'm not upset at getting this one in my box. Overall, is that it? Let me see. Yeah, that's everything that came in my box. Overall, let's see. This price for this one was $30. Best-selling Chocolate Soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. Okay, I've been trying a lot of bronzers lately. A lot of bronzers. So, you know, the subscription price for this box is $35, and I'll put the total based on the retail values on the card on the screen so you can take a look. For $35, it's not bad. My favorite product has to be the Tarte lip balm. I love a good lip balm. I know I will definitely use it, so I'm excited about that. I'm interested in trying out the Kevyn Aucoin mascara and then probably the bronzer, which was the item I chose myself from the options that they gave me. It's okay. I think I like the premium box better. It's a little bit more makeup, which is what I'm interested in, than my base box, which was so random. But overall, I have a few new goodies to try, and I'm always happy to try out new makeup. I'll report back in a follow-up haul and let you know how everything worked. I can recycle these boxes now, put my new goodies away. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps small channels such as myself. Let me know if you got the Boxycharm and what you got in your box. That base box was so random. Really can't get over it. But I'm excited about the nail polish. You'll see that in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for joining me. As I said, I hope you're doing really well, and I look forward to seeing you again really, really soon on my next one. Bye-bye.